Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Geography 104, World Regional Geography. My name is Samuel Cortez, and I am your instructor for the class. We're scheduled to officially start our class today, Monday, June 17, 2019. You go to https //sdccd.instructure.com /login-canvas to log in into the course. There you will find all of the information to get you started with the course. You will also find the syllabus, which has valuable information about the content of the course, as well as materials such as textbooks that you will need for the class. This is an intense 8-week course, and as a result, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and reflections are due weekly. So I urge you to log in and immediately engage with the course. Remember that this is a fully online class, and students will be required to complete weekly assignments in a virtual environment and should have regular and reliable access to a computer with an internet connection. I am excited and eager to start the class. I hope you are too. This course examines the diverse social, cultural, political, economic, and environmental geographies of different regions of the world. This is a thematic course and not your traditional where is what geography course. This is an issues-oriented class that explicitly recognizes the vast geography changes that are taking place because of globalization. As geographers, we think it is essential to understand and critique two interactive themes: the consequences of converging environmental, cultural, political, and economic systems inherent to globalization, and the persistence and even expansion of geographic diversity and differences in the face of globalization. In conjunction with lectures, course material will be covered through readings, mapping assignments, in-class and online discussions, and written assignments and films. This is the reason why we geographers emphatically say that geography matters. I hope that by the end of the course, you'll understand why geography matters as well. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you online and look forward to a great class. Feel free to contact me with any questions you may have. You can contact me via Canvas, yes, inbox Canvas, or by email me at scortez@sdccd.edu. Looking forward to meeting all of you. Sincerely, Samuel Cortez.